So hello friends, I am Aknp. Today in this video, I am welcoming you all. That today I am going to discuss a topic of metals, the properties of metals. So we are seeing in our surrounding, mostly the things in our surroundings are either of metals or non-metals. So how can we differentiate things into metals and non-metals? Today I'm going to discuss about the properties of metals in this video. So the first property of metal is the lusterness of metal, the metallic luster of metal. So what is this metallic luster of metal? So we take a silver or and gold, or else we can take utensils in our kitchen that we are using, like we can take a aluminium in the kitchen we are using, and by taking that aluminium and gold, we see that these both of these are has a shine, isn't it? Yes, these both two has shine. So this shining is called as luster of metals. These are metals, that's why we are calling it metallic luster. So this is the first properties of metal. Now the second property is hardness of metals. So basically the metals are hard. Example, I take a utensils in kitchen and I just drop it down, and after my dropping it down, it doesn't breaks, isn't it? Yeah, it doesn't break. That's why it is hard in nature. So basically metals are hard in nature. So this is the second property of metal. Now the third property of metal is malleability. What is this malleability? Malleability is nothing but the I take a metal, and after taking that metal I beat it with a hammer. By beating it, I make it a thin as a sheet, and after making as thin as a sheet, it is called as malleability of metal. The some examples of malleability in nature are that in that we all are using aluminum foils. So this is a perfect example of malleability of metals. So now the fourth property of metal is our ductility of metal. So what is the ductility of metal? So ductility of metal is nothing but the you all saw copper wires, and I think some gold wires also. So what are they? What they are called the ductility of metal. So the making of metals into wires are called ductility of metals. So I end, so that's it, but I want to end it with a amazing fact. The amazing fact is that if we take a gram of gold, and from that gram of gold we get a 2 kilometer of wires. So this is a good fact, I think. So this is good time for ending this video, and I think that if you that this video is very nice, and if this video is good, please like it, share it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel Aknp Science and Math Studies.